So far, our models drew a line or a curve. But there is a totally different way to decide, one you already use every day. Just ask a series of simple yes or no questions. That is a decision tree. Here is some data with 2 features and 2 colors. A straight line cannot cleanly cut these apart, the red and green are tangled. But a tree does not need a line. It chops the space into boxes. The tree looks at every feature and asks, what one question splits these the best? Here the winner is feature A less than 4.5? That single cut peels off this whole left group. On the yes side, almost everything is red. That box is basically settled, so it becomes a leaf, a final answer. Predict red. But the no side, the right half, is still mixed. Green up top, red down low. So the tree just asks another question, only for that box. Is feature B above 5? Now both halves are clean. Above the line, all green, a leaf. Below it, all red, a leaf. With just 2 questions, the tree has carved the messy picture into 3 pure boxes. How does the tree know a question is good? It measures how mixed each box is. A box with both colors is messy. A box of one color is pure. The tree always picks the question that cleans up the mess the most, and it stops when a box is pure. Using it is wonderfully simple. A new point arrives. Is feature A less than 4.5? No. Is feature B above 5? Yes. So we land in the green leaf. Predict green. Just follow the questions down to a leaf. But trees have one dangerous habit. If you let a tree keep asking questions forever, it will draw a tiny box around every single point, even the noisy ones. That tree has memorized the training data instead of learning the real pattern. On new data, it falls apart. This is overfitting. The fix is to keep the tree shallow, to limit how many questions it may ask. A simple tree usually beats a clever, tangled one. So a decision tree is just smart questions, splitting the world into pure boxes. Easy to read, easy to follow. Keep it shallow, and it stays honest. One tree can be shaky and easily fooled, so next we grow a whole forest of them and let them vote. Random forests.